Hello, you just sign up a new contract, a new purchase contract to buy your first house, and you're working with this loan officer who's actually not submitting your file, who's not even locking your rate, who's asking you to provide the documents. You think that doesn't make any sense. He's asking you to provide all the income documents, all W-2s, your tax returns for last 2 years or even more, who's asking to provide the bank statements, particularly those statements where your down payment is coming from, and who is asking you to provide all the details where you lived for last 2 years or even more. And you go, what? I mean, at least go ahead and start my loan and I'll give everything later. But he's not doing it. And you think you might lose this house because you just signed up this purchase contract after looking the houses for like 4 or 5 months, and you don't want to lose this house. He's going through your bank statement and he's asking you these funny questions. Where you got this money? He's asking the large deposits which you deposit last month, $20,000, where that came from, and he wants to have the proof of the funds you deposited in your account. He's going through your credit report and asking you why you check all this credit and is there any debt opened because of those credit. I mean, you go, man, I mean, at least start my loan and I'll provide you everything. You know, the more chances are the loan officers like that will close your loan on time and smooth as compared to the loan officers who just give you assurances. Assurances like, you know what, your loan is so easy. If you don't have this particular document, doesn't matter, we can take it later. I'll take all the documents as underwriter tells me to. And more chances are those loan officers won't be able to close your loan on time or maybe not at all. So if you want to close your loan on time and a smooth process, provide each and every piece of documents up front. And you should expect that thing from your loan officer. If your loan officer is not asking entire documentation, the chances are your loan will be delayed, because in this new underwriting world, if document A is required to move the file from phase 1 to phase 2, guess what? The file is not moving without that document, no matter how mad you get. As comparison to loan officer 1, who give you a hard time to start the loan, but he understands that what kind of documentation is required. He look at the file from the underwriting perspective. So that kind of loan officer you want, who can ask you each and every single thing up front, then later. So that later there's no surprises. So work with someone who has experience, who are in this industry for long enough, who saw all those ups and downs, especially in the finance world, who knows how the underwriting works, who look at your file as the underwriter's perspective. Thanks for watching.